Hello, and this is Dude Boy 200. I just need to shut the door because my mum doesn't know I'm on YouTube. Okay, so this is my video. If you don't know, I'm going to show you some of my games. Okay, for Battlefield 3, Terraria, Drive for Francesco, Minecraft, GTA 5. Then if I write some other games, fucking hell. Look at him, boy. Look at fucking him. Look at that guy. Wow. Is it John Cena? No, it can't be. These are one of my videos. I want to be able to do it for, send it for a long time because I'm offline. Okay. See you next time on Dude Boy 200. Peace.